Okay, so using Sizzix shrink plastic, we want the dull side, not shiny. Sticker stencils 5, draw an arch. Using the arch stencil. Pastel's titanium white, just rub that in, and then we're going to rub that off so that it's just a stain on the shrink plastic, because colours intensify as they shrink. Ink up your Playful pumpkin stamp in Archival Jet Black ink, and then rub away with some paper towel the outside edges, so it's not going to be as dark as the eyes and the smile, giving a ghostly appearance. Like that. Now take your Archival Ink Wayfarer and, using the larger flower from the vine set, ink it up, stamp it off first, and create a little flower type hairband across the top of the face. And cut it out. Take care to do a rough cut first so that you don't have the weight of the shrink plastic directing and breaking bits of shrink plastic. Okay, using Posca pens, this is aqua green and yellow and red, just go around the flowers and pretty them up a bit. There are some lovely lines on the stamp that you can follow. Just darkening the eyes. And use your paper towel to just blot any wet colour away. Now the top of the ghost, we're going to just go around the edge of those flowers and colour the rest in black. And that's black Posca. And I'm giving it an edging of aqua green. This should help it to stand out. Add touches of yellow and aqua green to your Playful pumpkin face. And you can carry that theme outside into the rest of your arch, the rest of your ghost. Using a black Posca pen, draw a line or two across the bottom with some going up to give the impression of it being a bit of a sheet with a bit of movement. Now, using your mini hill masks, pick a shape and give your ghost a bit of a shape using those as guides. And now cut that shape away. You can keep the arch. It would be a slightly stronger shape, but it's completely up to you what you do. Okay, using Stickles silver, add some gems, very light touch, to the flower centres and smudge along the side of your ghost. Fabulous. You can add a little bit of gold as well. Now write the word boo with an exclamation mark with your Posca pen and blot it. Time to shrink. So using your Ranger heat tool, hold on to it because you don't want your ghost to fly away, and shrink it. Now remember to trust the process and try not to interfere too much. And if it's not flattening as you'd like, turn it over to the shiny side so that you can give it a quick blast, and then it should work its way to being flatter. And then stamp it. Using Posca pen black, just get a reservoir of ink onto your craft mat and use your finger to just add it to the edges of the brooch, and that should make it look rather delicious. Makes it pop. Use glossy accents to affix a brooch pin to the back, and then you will end up with this. Hurrah! Well done, you did it!